Hello everybody, this is Dr. Anna, and today I'm going to talk to you about your physical geology lab kit. When you go to the library and you ask for your physical geology lab kit, this is what you're going to get. It's a box, as you can see. When you open the box, you're going to have 5 envelopes in there. The first one is the lab kit. The second one is the minerals. Third one is the igneous rocks. Fourth one is sedimentary rocks. And the fifth one is the metamorphic rocks. They are all labeled and you can see them pretty good. So let's see what's in your test kit. So this is your test kit, and when you open it, each envelope will have a plastic bag in it. When you open it, what will you have in the test kit? You will have a bottle of very weak hydrochloric acid. You don't want to pour it on yourself, but it's very weak, so you cannot really do anything bad. You have a glass plate. You have a strict plate in it. You got a magnet with a nail and a little copper plate. So this is the what's in your test kit. You will have to use your test kit throughout the exercises, so you have to keep it, but be careful, don't mix it with anything else, and try to keep it completely contained. If you don't use it right then, put it back in the envelope. Okay, your second envelope contains the mineral lab, the material for the mineral lab. As you can see, it says minerals. When you open this envelope, you'll have a plastic bag in it. As you can see in this plastic bag, you have other plastic bags also. For the weaker minerals, so it won't get damaged. When you open it up, please carefully empty the content to the table, but there is nothing else. You just want to make sure that you don't mix it with anything else, and then you try to find the minerals and put them in order. Your number 1 is going to be your quartz crystal. Number 2 will be the common quartz right here. Number 3 is the K feldspar. Number 4 is the sodium plagioclase. Number 5 is going to be the calcium plagioclase. Number 6 is olivine. Number 7 is the pyroxene. Number 8 is the amphibole. Number 9 is in a small bag. That's your biotite. And of course, when you do the lab, you want to take it out. I'm not doing it right now. Number 10 is the muscovite. It's also in a small bag because it easily gets damaged. It's very soft. Number 11 is the kaolinite. That's also very soft, so it's in a small bag. Number 12 is the talc. It's also very soft, so it's in its own little bag. Number 13 is garnet. It's outside. It's this low mineral garnet. Number 14, there is a chance that in your bag, the number 14 is in a small bag because I sometimes put more than just one piece, so you can see the cleavage on it. Number 15 is the dolomite. Number 16 is the gypsum. Number 17 is the halite. Number 18 is the fluorite. Number 19 is the magnetite, sorry. Number 20 is a little bag. It has 2 minerals. One is which is red, and the other one is the black hematite. So it has 2. And number 21 is galena. There might be 1 or 2 more pieces in the bag. It's also just showing the cleavage on the galena. 20th is the pyrite. 21 is I messed up. 20 was the hematite. 21 is the galena. Number 22 is the pyrite. 23 is the graphite. It's in a bag because it's soft. And 24 is the bauxite. So that's your mineral kit. When you're done with the mineral lab, carefully put the minerals back in the plastic bag. Make sure that you don't start opening other bags. You should always just have one bag open. close it and carefully put it back in the envelope. And put this whole envelope away before you start the next lab. The next one is going to be the igneous rocks. So you can see it's labeled. And when you open it, be careful. It has smaller envelope, bag, but not many, just one. And then you put them in order. Your number 1 is going to be the granite. Your number 2 is the rhyolite. Number 3 is the obsidian. Number 4 is in the back, that's the pumice. Number 5 is missing. You have to only know that from pictures. Number 6, I didn't have enough samples, so that's why. Number 6 is diorite. Number 7 is andesite. Number 8 is the gabbro. Number 9 is basalt. Porphyritic basalt is missing, the number 10 from the set, because I didn't have enough. You have to know it based on the pictures. Number 11 is the scoria, it's right here. And number 12 is the dunite. So that's your igneous rocks. When you're done with that lab, you put it back in the bag carefully. And then close the bag, put it back in the envelope before you start the next lab. The only thing you can have open when you do the lab is a test kit, because even later you will have to use some of the tools in the test kit to be able to separate the different rocks and minerals. And this here is the sedimentary rocks. Carefully open it. Your number 1 is missing. That's the conglomerate. I don't have enough for right now. Number 2 is the breccia. Number 3 is quartz sandstone. Number 4 is the greywacke. Number 4, is the arkose. Number 5 is the greywacke. Number 5. Number 6 is the siltstone. Number 7 is the mudstone. Number 8 is shale. Number 9 is oolitic limestone. Number 10 is in a baggie, that's coquina. Be careful when you take it out, it's very, very soft. Number 11 is the fossiliferous limestone. Number 12 is the lime mudstone. Number 13 is the dolomite. Number 14 is the chert. Number 15 is gypsum. 16 is the rock salt. 17 is the bituminous coal. And 18 is the anthracite. Okay? So when you're done with the sedimentary rocks, you carefully put your samples back in the plastic bag and put the plastic bag in the envelope before you start your next lab. And the final lab is going to be the metamorphic rocks. It's also in an envelope, of course. The metamorphic rocks are pretty sturdy, so I don't have smaller bags in it. The first one is the slate, sorry. The second one is the phyllite. Third one is the mica schist. Fourth is the gneiss. The fifth should be the quartzite, but in this case it's messed up. So make sure that you understand. The marble should be 6, and the marble will fizz with hydrochloric acid where the quartzite doesn't. So that's the metamorphic set. And when you're done with it, please put it back in the bag really carefully. Like you want to make sure that the air goes out. And then put it back in the envelope. And when you're done with your lab kit, please put them back in the box and then turn it back in the library for future use. I really appreciate your helpfulness on this, and make sure you enjoy your geology lab. Thank you. Bye.